So my 24 hour as a full stack developer. So just to give you a little background, I'm working as a full stack developer for a service-based company in India. So without any further ado, let's get started. So it will be so it's 12 a.m. in the morning and I'm not sleeping. Instead, I'm working on my laptop and doing the work of my day-to-day job. Okay. So however, I can log out and not work on the project that I am working on in daytime job, but I enjoy coding and solving problems, and also because the project is live and there are many bugs that needs to be fixed. So I work on the task which I'm assigned to, and sometimes I also work on the task that I am not assigned to. So yeah, I will work till 1 a.m, and after 1 a.m I will continue my online course and start learning things which I want to. I have purchased some courses from Udemy and all of them are really in-depth good courses. I'll link all these courses in description. However, I am not sponsored by the author, but I really like the courses. So if you want to learn, then you can check the links in the description. So after that, I'll watch the tutorial and code parallelly so I can learn it practically. So it's 12 a.m. now and I have finished some lectures from the course, and now I will grab my smartphone and start watching memes and sharing them in my Instagram stories. You can also follow me on Instagram, link is in the description. And yep, after 1 hour of socializing, I will listen to some music and sleep till 9 a.m. in the morning. So it's 9 a.m. and I will scratch my balls and do a breakfast, the morning stuff. Anyways, so it's 10 a.m. and so it's 10 a.m. now and my day job starts. There is a daily discussion called daily stand up, and we do discuss the status of the task that we have done yesterday, and my manager will assign the new tasks or some bugs to me, so that so after that I will start working on. And and that call will take up to 1 or 2 hours. So after that finishing, so let's say it take 2 hours, so it will be 12 p.m. now. So it's 12 p.m. now and tasks are assigned, and I will pull the latest code from GitHub and fire up the local host and start working on my task. Meanwhile, working on the task, there can be something that I need to search on Google to fix the issue or install any open source library. So I will work on my task, and after finishing I will update the code on the GitHub, and after test and ask tester to test the features or the bugs that I just completed, and blah blah blah. If everything work as expected, then I will ask another task to work on. So this process is time consuming, depends on the bugs or feature that I was working on. So I'll take a break between 2 p.m. and 3 p.m. You know for what? Lunch baby. And also check my email just to make sure that I'm not missing anything today. So then it's 6 p.m. now, and I have been coding continuously and my back pain start. So basically I can log out and work, and my working hour of my day jobs are over now. I'll update the team about my fixes and work that is done by me today. And now freedom, peace, baby. But I won't log out. I will still work. You know why?
I don't want peace. I want problems always.
So I will keep working because either my tasks are not completed or maybe I am assigned to some more another task, and I'll complete them by tonight. So after that, after doing all these, so it's 8 p.m. now, and I'm still working on my task or bug fixes. And after that, I will take a break for an hour and scroll to Instagram and Twitter. And you can also follow me on Twitter. Link is in the old gold description. And after that, it's 9 p.m. and I'll take the dinner and chat with my girlfriend. Just kidding, I don't have a girlfriend.
Yes, very sad. Anyway.
It's 10 p.m. now, and after having some fun on Instagram or chat with friends, I will grab my laptop again and start coding again. And it can take more than 2 hours. And now it's 12 a.m. 12 a.m. 12 a.m. of the next day. And
Oh shit. Here we go again.
so that's pretty much it for this video. Let me know on what topic you want to see in the next video. Until then, Praveen here. aka Lord Fullstack, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.
खत्म